Welcome back. Quick one, we're going to discuss how this reflect image was made using Moho from scratch to begin. I'm going to tell you how I made this a reflection of image, and also how this character was able to make from the character. You can see that the clothes are transparent. I'm going to teach you the process on how to do this. So this is what we are going to do. First, first and foremost, let's just create a basic template for this. Let's create a vector base layer to apply this effect, and how this effect was also applied during the production of this particular short animation scene. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to create a basic layer for this. We're going to create a vector layer. So we'll create one vector layer here, and there's a vector layer. Let's just say, let's tag it as testing. To test how this reflection image was made. So the first thing we're going to do, we'll click on shape tools. We'll come to shape tools, and there's it. Okay, let's make this shape to another color. This is what we're going to do. Click on it. Okay, but it's just a transparent color, but let's make it a blue color. Okay, there's it. Then this is what we're going to do. We'll come back to this texting, the layer which we have created. We'll increase the blur radius to 1. Increase the blur. We click on colorize layer, and this is where the magic happen. We click. You can see when you click on this colorize layer, you tick it. It's going to change. I won't tick it, but let me tick it again so that you see the effect on it. Click on it, it changed. We double click on this. Your left click, you click on it. You reduce your opacity to 46. Most times I use 46 for this effect. 4 and 6, 46. Okay, what color am I going to allow for the transparency? Like what we did on this clothes, we use blue. Okay, this blue color, we're going to increase it from here to blue, right? This is what we're able to create from it. Okay, let's say this light blue. We have created our transparent image, apply it to it. Okay, let's see if it's effective. The only active thing here is this whole layer. So let me move it up. Okay, let me move it up. Let's see. Can you see? You can see from your screen that it's transparent. This is how the mirror was created. The clothes were also created. So let's delete it. Let's come back to our image. That's what we did here. We rearrange our layers. From here, you can see the first one, which is the opposite one, is at the front of it, while the one at the back of the mirror, which is creating the illusion of reflection, is this. Then you might have, how was I able to hide this other part of the leg for not showing on the main background, of the scene, the main background, because there's an overall background of the scene. How was I able to do it without it showing? This is the main background of the scene. Does it? The best thing I was able to do from this, I hide the layers, which I'm not going to use. I hide them because you don't expect down of this of the mirror to be carrying a reflection which is not visible. So the scene we just tried to create here was try to hide this guy at the middle of the character. Try to hide the character at the middle. From what you can see from here, the mirror is at the middle. The mirror is at the middle between the two characters, creating that illusion of it. And I guess you understand what we try to create here. If you like this character, on the subscription button, uh, ask for the character. I can upload how to get the characters for you too. So I can also teach you how to draw this character, how to animate this character. From what you just see, you can see that she's waving her hands and the eye blinks, making signs. I can teach you how to apply all this all this together to create a powerful scene. And continue to watch on this YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more tutorials on how to do things like this. Thank you. Please click on the subscription button.